I'm helping him to replace his brake. This guy, because he doesn't know how to do it. So
Just the one part.
it's one part. See, every time you're watching
It's missing
Daddy,
a dust cover, right?
Daddy, well, you should learn that.
This is missing the dust cover.
See? That's, you see that one I made?
This is nice. But I don't work in a steel factory.
Huh?
I don't work in a steel factory.
You don't work steel factory, but you're gonna use your imagination. How your life getting easy, you know?
But I can't make these tools every day like you. Is it off?
Hold on. Yeah.
There you go.
See? Look, your brake is done. That's
Oh, of
why
course.
when you hear the noise,
Yeah.
this is the guy. That's just scraping the rotors. See? Let's go.
That's completely gone.
Yeah. Now, this one, you know what to do?
Smack it.
Grab first the sledgehammer. You gotta be careful. The start. Hey, come out. Stop. There you go. You should bring here the, yeah, your brake is still okay, but can you grab the compressor for me?
Compressor?
No, you don't need that here on the brake. That one is not supposed to involve in the brake. Compressor, see, you can spray all the dust. That way it doesn't make a noise when you drive.
Okay. The yellow one?
See, you have to blow up clean a little bit this. Oh, shit. Ow.
Cover your ass. So I heard to make
blow
it
it.
flush, you can use this.
Yeah, I know that.
There.
Okay, let it go. What? Did you open it?
No,
This receiver? Open it. This one you don't need another guy to do the brake. Like, you know, use this. I think you grab the short.
no, it works.
Yeah, there is a specific for this one too.
Yeah, there is.
But I didn't buy it yet. I'm a poor guy. So this one, you can do it by yourself. Just use the C-hook. Then push the piston all the way in. Because when you put the brake pad, it's gonna be thicker and it won't fit the rotor between. There you go.
Flush?
There you go. See? Nice.
Beautiful, brand new.
Brand new.
That's it.
Wow. We try to put it on. There you go. Sweet.
Looks awesome.
Perfect. You're saving a lot of money for the mechanic.
Yeah, this is good.
How much you're saving now?
I'm saving on the mechanic and I'm saving on the teacher.
Here. Grab me that. Yeah, every time I works.
Well,
you
let's
should
replace
watch.
everything on that. We're gonna place everything, right? All the clamps.
The inside first.
Let's see. You sure that's the top?
outside that.
No, other way. Like that. Because this is in the back.
We don't need that. The new one? You want a new one?
Yeah, put the new ones.
Okay. Give me the special tools. They're made. You see? If you ever wants to order like this is stainless steel. That's this way because you gotta push it up. No. Up.
Pull up or push down?
Up.
Up?
Let go. Let go. There, grab.
Okay.
One more. Yeah, that's it. The bottom. There. Okay. Up, one more. That's it. That's it. Don't snap the thing. See? This is to make it strong.
Yeah.
So if you wanna order it, please do so. Now we need to put the brake shoe. Okay, give me the new one.
Inside first?
Yeah, all the time inside. Like this. Just the rubber. Put the thing.
Like that?
There you go. Wow, sweet, very light. There you go. You're saving lots of money. Yeah. First of all, give me the
Hmm?
tools. Okay. Good.
Okay. So let me try the other one on my own.
Yeah, move this thing at the back. That close there. Bring everything in the back.
To the back, the other side.
Okay.
Yeah, let me try the next one.
Yeah, you should. Let's see. You need to learn, you know. If you want to save money, you're gonna learn how to do a mechanic.
Okay. Do you mind
Yeah.
blowing it with your glasses?
Yeah.
Or can I borrow your glasses?
Yeah. Let's see. Come on.
Whoa, what did happen here? Okay, no, I'm holy shit.
Otherwise, you're gonna need to replace still.
this hard.
There you go. Fix it. Push back. There you go. Perfect. Now he knows. Next time maybe. If you're not lazy, you know. Lazy versus money, that's a problem, right?
Exactly.
Wipe it up. That's dirty. You have a rugs beside you. Yeah. No, I'll turn the other way around. That like that. There you go. Yeah, that's good enough. That's good enough. Don't be too. Come on, make it flat. The thing. Yeah, try to stay on the center. That way he will go in even. See, you wait to outside. Yeah, slowly go.
There you go.
Plus on the piston.
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks good.
Yeah. One bolt on the top first.
Oh shit, these washers.
By the time you're other way around. Yeah, try to put in the center the top one first. Get under. Ooh. There we go. Technique. Put one on the top. Okay.
Okay.
Push the thing with the rubber. Push it in. Got it? Why doesn't it? Should be easy to goes in. No, there's something wrong.
There.
Are you sure?
Nope.
Here. Okay, lift it up. You hit a little bit on this side. Wait.
Okay. Oh.
There. Break another one, okay? Otherwise you pay mechanic, but buy it on this.
Is it really lifetime warranty?
Yeah. That's why I buy a maximum. It's worth it. Expensive, but it's worth it.
Yeah.
Now he wants to be a mechanic now. He doesn't want to work in the bank anymore.
Oh, right.
Mechanic make more money than bankers. Using the tools, you have to make sure the right, and you put it in nice and flat. Come on, man. There you go. Yeah, that one, it should be okay. Don't go too much, because that handle is too long.
Yeah.
You're gonna snap the ball.
Okay. There we go.
You good?
That's good.
Okay. Wipe the thing there. Don't. Oh. Come on. Clean your rugs first before you. There you go. Otherwise, you're gonna complain again by making noise.
Look at
There
that.
you go. Organize first.
Okay, wait.
You make the other one, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's okay if it goes like this, right? Or maybe I didn't put it straight.
Yeah, you have to do it right. Otherwise, you're gonna replace the stud.
Yeah, exactly. There
And
we
you're
go.
gonna remove it, everything again, including the rotor. Okay, well, place one on the other side.
Why is this one's not going all the way? Let's try this one.
No. Yeah. Okay. Now that one, that's gonna be harder.
Still supporting.
Lift it up. Come on, turn.
I want to do it slowly.
Yeah, that's not slowly.
I know it's not.
Yeah, let go quick. Then pull it out. There you go. That's it. What's the wire?